So I already have my things I'm going to put on my dish. What you're going to do first is put your plate or dish on your scale and turn it on. If your scale's already on, you're going to press the tar button or the zero out button. Okay, and then I have my rice here that I've already prepared for the entire week. And I'm just going to measure that out in grams. So you might need to change your units on your scale to a gram setting, so that way you have a more accurate reading. Okay, a little bit more. All right, and then once I get one thing on there, I'm going to tar it again so that it's on zero. Now I'm going to add, I have zucchini and onions here that I've already prepared. Put that in there. Okay, and I'm going to zero that out again. All right. And now I have chicken that I've already cooked and sliced, which makes it really easy to measure out. All right. And now you have everything you need measured on one plate. So now I'm going to prepare one of my favorite snacks. I'm going to take my dish, turn on my scale, and I'm going to be using the Okio's, Oko's, I don't know, plain Greek yogurt. It has 18 grams of protein per serving. It is one of the better quality yogurts that you can get. It has a higher protein content and it's not as watery and it tastes pretty good. I like the consistency of it a lot better than some of the other yogurts out there. So I have a little bit left in this one, so I'm going to measure out here first to get to use the rest of this one. I've got my scale is zeroed. And so my quantity is 150, but if I go a few over, I try not to go 5 over that, because when you're eating yogurt out of a bowl, some of it gets left inside the bowl. So if I go slightly over, it's not a big deal. All right, so that's my yogurt base. And I do like my yogurt plain, so that's just how I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna tar or zero out my scale. It's set on grams. And then I'm going to add my blackberries. And I'm out of blackberries, so I'm going to use the rest as raspberries. All right, and zero my scale, and I'm gonna add my granola. That's it. To measure things from the jar that are really hard to measure in small quantities. So what I'm gonna do is take the peanut butter, making Josh's snack. So make sure it's on grams, and then you're just gonna zero it out while your peanut butter or whatever you're using that you want to dip out of is there. Okay, that's actually the exact amount I needed to get out. Okay, so that was 12 grams. And then I need a total of 24 grams, so stir that up. All right. Okay, a little too much. So things that are really small in quantity that you need to dip out of something sticky like this or honey, sometimes it's easier to just measure the deficit than the actual weight of it. So I have 24 minus 24 grams. That's how many I wanted. And then, you just lick your spoon or your knife clean, and that's, you have the exact amount, and it's easier that way.